What's up, everybody? This is Garrett from K.O.R.H Hobbies, and today we are doing the reveal of the Zeus from Sworkz. The 1/8 scale, 10 scale, who knows? 4-wheel drive monster truck, Truggy, who knows? We'll see though. So, wait, where is it? Where is it? I put it here somewhere. Oh, I know. Yeah! Here we go. Hopefully you guys think this thing is cool. I know I do. I custom painted the body. Sweet! Yeah, kind of tried to make it look like lightning with bloody killer off-road hobbies stuff. I'll give you guys a closer look in a second. So, yes, this is the Sworkz Zeus. This is the POS front bumper and rear bumper. POS, that's weird. Yeah, so I got this thing built. It was not easy. Those of you who followed the build will know that. Came with a manual that was pretty much... And it came with a wrong part that was... But it is all put together. It is ready to go. And now I'm happy. All right, everybody. So if you follow the build, you'll know a lot of this. If you didn't, stay tuned because we're going to talk about it. Alrighty, so I'm running the Proline Shockwaves. This will be my first time having these tires. I think they look absolutely amazing on this thing. I went for the monster truck look because it says it's a monster truck. Even though it looks like a Truggy, it's a monster truck. Monster truck. Monster truck. Gotta get that in there because it looks like a Truggy. Okay, stop being a goofball. It's serious time. Alright, pulling the shell off, which I think I did amazing on. By the way, check it out, everybody. Check it out. So I did go ahead and do the Flex Seal on the bottom. Basically, just kind of had some fun with it. That's my favorite part right there. The bloody killer off-road hobbies symbol with the lightning coming out of the bottom of it. I think that looks pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, please. All right, so with the electronics we put in this, if you didn't follow the build videos, which I highly suggest you go back and check out. If you didn't, yeah. Okay, so we're running the Hobby Wing Easy Run system. Now we got the Hobby Wing Max 8 4 and 6S capable ESC. We got the 4274 2200 kV brushless motor that I put this nice big fan on. That should have plenty of power, but there's absolutely no room for anything bigger. So if you want to go bigger than that, sorry, you can't, because it is literally pressed up against the ESC. I did go ahead and put a 18 tooth pinion on this, I believe, and we are running the Truggy Evo T2 steering servo, and I hooked it up to my Futaba T3PV transmitter. Now, pretty much, kind of have mixed feelings about this thing already. And I'm hoping that this thing blows me away because I am absolutely, like, not happy about the build on this thing, mostly to do with the manual. So, already, one of my thoughts on the review is going to be that manual is horrible, everybody. It starts out good, and then it gets bad, and then it gets really bad, and then it gets even worse than that. And if you don't know what you're doing with building a kit, I highly suggest you probably don't buy this until you get a few more kits under your belt, because this build, just by design, this thing is a little bit difficult to put together, and compounded on that is the manual being absolutely worthless almost, showing you the wrong parts, telling you the wrong screws. I mean, it is absolutely horrible, and Sworkz should have done something about that a long long time ago because this kit has been out for over a year and I am absolutely like unhappy with that part of the build quality. The materials are amazing looking. I'm not absolutely sure how they perform yet, but the materials and the build quality of this kit is very, very high. It is good. It is close, if not on par, with the Techno MT410. However, the Techno MT410 I had absolutely no problems putting together whatsoever. This thing was a headache and a half, and I'm just going to stop rambling on that because that's going to be for the full review and my thoughts video. But very disappointed in Sworkz for not addressing that. Very, very, very disappointed in Sworkz for not addressing the manual. Okay, on a lighter note, so basically I got this thing off a whim. I saw it, I decided to go ahead and get it, and it's here. I built it. I think it looks awesome. Hopefully it performs awesomely, and just to let you guys know, whoa, whoa, I've got two. So literally the day after I bought this kit, the full-blown kit, I bought the kit, the electronics, and the tires all in the same purchase. I saw this as a roller on eBay. I threw in a bid on it and I actually ended up winning it. And if it looks familiar to some of you, that's probably because it probably is, because this is the exact Sworkz Zeus that was tested on the RC network. Now, as I said, I did get this thing as a roller. It actually came with the skid plates that are on this one and the POS bumpers that are on this one. So yeah, I ended up getting two somehow for some reason. I don't know. But the cool thing about this is one is set up as a monster truck and one is set up as a Truggy. I'm pretty sure I'm going to like the monster truck version better, but I've got two of them to test in the two different realms. So I'm going to basically focus on this one as a Truggy, and I'm going to basically focus on this one as a monster truck and see which version of it I like better. So running in this is a very comparable system. It's 4 and 6S capable. It's going to be the BLX 185 system out of a Creighton. The system is brand new. I am running the Spectrum, I can't see the numbers, there we go. I am running the Spectrum S6260 steering servo that was in my Techno ET 48.3 before I went ahead and sold that thing as a roller on eBay. But this thing is running a 19 tooth pinion. This thing is running an 18 tooth pinion. I reinforced this body because it wasn't reinforced with Gorilla Tape. So this thing has Gorilla Tape, this thing has Flex Seal, this thing's going to be a Truggy, this thing's going to be a monster truck, this thing has a 2050 kV brushless motor with a 19 tooth pinion. This has a 2200 kV brushless motor with a 18 tooth pinion. So I think this is going to be awesome. So we got the Truggy, Sworkz Zeus, and we got the monster truck. Now, as you can tell, the monster truck I think looks a little cooler. But yeah, basically I got both of these. I'm going to test both of these as they sit. 4S, 6S, and I'm going to put the boots to these things because of how frustrated I am with the build from Sworkz. And I want to make sure these things are worth your frustration and worth your money before you guys go ahead and spend a bunch of money, because this cost me almost $900. And yeah, I want to make sure it's going to be worth your time and money to go ahead and build one of these, whether you want to run a Truggy or a monster truck. All right, everybody, so that's my Sworkz Zeus's first look. Go ahead and please thumb up this video if you did like it. Don't be shy about smashing that thumbs down if you didn't and you thought I was too much of a goofball in this episode. Yes, yes. Check out that description. There's a bunch of cool stuff down there. And hey, maybe in the future one of these might be up for sale or something. I don't know. Maybe that one, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this one. I don't know. Anyways, thumb up, thumb down, like, subscribe if you're new here, and we'll see you on the next video. Until then, peace.